What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back to JuCutz. About to start off with a cut. I'm about to show y'all how to do a Taperfade. I'm about to start off with a 2-guard close. Start off with a 2-guard close. And I'm about to just, you know what I'm saying, get ready to start cutting, attacking it. Finna start cleaning it up so I can prep it for the fade. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'm on the come up, man. Y'all help me pay my bills, man. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, this is my hustle. I'm trying to do something with it. I ain't working no more 9 to 5, man. So the first thing you want to do, start up with a fade. You want to make sure you comb up, you go up, you flick out. You flick out using the T, the end of the guard. So you flick out, you do it. You make sure you take your time and do it lightly. That's it. And be consistent too. That's the key. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and put that 1.5 guard on. Put the lever all the way open. Started the lever open and start smoothing that out too. This is how I do to get that little transition. The higher you are, the more open you want to have your lever, and the lower you get, the more you want to close it. That's how I get that little transition again on the other side. You know what I'm saying? Smooth that out. Make sure, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's even on both sides. I'm gonna start my guideline, my ball line right there. I lined it up. I started it where the ear is. You started where the ear is. That's how I start mine. And then this is the thing. You always want to have a brush with you because you want to brush that excess hair out so you can see your guidelines. Alright, so my second guideline, you want to open the lever all the way with no guard. Open the lever all the way with no guard. And I move up. I go up by like an inch. And you see how I move the lever down? Because I'm trying to go down and blend that. I'm trying to blend the ball line. So you want to take that ball line out. So you have to play with that lever. Like I said, the more you go up, the more you move that lever open. Now I got the 1 guard. Put the 1 guard on there. I'm about to make another guideline. I'm only going up a little bit with the 1. So I'm just going up. Half guard, yeah. So I'm trying to take out that middle guideline. Trying to take out that middle guideline, so I'm just playing with the lever. You gotta play with it. Start on the other side. So what you do to one side, you gotta do it to the other. You can't have one side looking all good and the other side looking boo-boo. You gotta do the same. You gotta have both sides looking even. Same fade, same guideline. You know what I'm saying? Same everything. You wanna make it look even. That's the whole point. Make it even. So I'm about to get ready to prep his hairline. Go ahead, trim the edges. I'm using this spritz. I ain't gonna lie, this spritz right here, it holds the hair in place. What kind of guy is that? He playing with me. But it holds the hair in place of where I can get a little crispy line up. My girl recommended that spritz to me, so I mess with it. I like it. The key is in doing the hairline. You start from the middle. If you're an expert, it don't matter where you start. But for beginners, you start in the middle. You have to start in the middle, and you don't, you know what I'm saying? You don't start up high. You go low, and then work your way up. You just take hair. You just take it. You gotta keep it natural. You just take the hair bit by bit, bit by bit. You don't dig in the skin. You gotta tap. Just tap. You can't go fast either, because if you go fast, you know what I'm saying, it ain't gonna be all crispy. You gotta go slow. Take your time, and just pay attention to the detail, man. So I'm doing the curve. You gotta do the C cup. The C cup, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, that's my favorite thing to do, the C cup. So you get that C cup, man, you just wanna attack that. Same with the hairline, just go bit by bit, just tap it. And then use the edge, you gotta use the corners of the blade. You got to.
Yoxi.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to apply some shaving gel to the head. Finna use the straight razor. I ain't gonna lie, this really my first time using the straight razor like that. I mean, I used it before, but I ain't gonna lie, I mess with it though. It make the line up clean. So, you know what I'm saying? I've been practicing, you know what I'm saying? When you use a straight razor, man, you really gotta be careful. I ain't gonna lie, that blade short and cut. But it make your line up short though, you know what I'm saying? You'll be clean though. But you use the shaving gel so it can be easy, you know what I'm saying, to glide. Pull back the skin, so you gotta pull the skin back. You gotta pull the skin to get it all, you know what I'm saying? Stretch the skin out so you can get all the hair.
Yoxi. 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 Yoxit.
Now, after I use the razor, I want to get my trimmers and touch the line up again. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I got everything. Make sure that everything nice, even, crisp, everything like that. You know what I'm saying? Just touch everything back up. Make sure the fade looks straight. You know what I'm saying? Just check your work, man.
Yoxit. Yoxit.
See, I'm finished. You know what I'm saying? That's the little taper fade, tip fade with a Mexican. If y'all like this video, you know what I'm saying, leave a like, you know what I'm saying, share it, comment it, something. If this was helpful for y'all, you know what I'm saying, let me know, man. Give me some feedback.